I can't wait for the sun when them sundresses gon' come on out. Living all the way in the west, but the Georgia peace make me feel down south. See you in the streets, believe I'ma go ahead and reach on out. Cause I done peeped you on the ground, goddamn, you just made another fan, yeah. Used to curving plenty niggas, if I wasn't for you, baby, I ain't nervous.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but grad school been kicking your girl's butt. But today I'm going to be reviewing, oh, there it is. Da-da-da-da. My newest Amazon find. So this is the Infinity Pro Hot Air Paddle Brush by Conair, and it's pretty much a dupe for the Revlon One Step Paddle Brush hair dryer. I'll insert a picture right here, but you know, I was actually gonna spend that coin on that one. It's about 40 bucks, but you know, it was God willing that it was sold out on Amazon. So your girl was like, they ain't got no dupes. They ain't got no dupes. And your girl found this one for a lucky, like, I think I got it for like $14.81. It was on sale at the time, but it is around $15. Again, I will have the link down below, as well as the current price when I get this video up under the picture of this that I will insert, bam, right here. So yeah, we're just gonna get to it. I'm due for a trim, which will be the next video. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how this works on my type 4 kinky hair. I do have looser curls in the back, and then it is definitely 4C in the front, so you guys will get to see how it works on different curl patterns and density and everything. So let's just hop right into it. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like outside of the box. It has a few settings. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, the settings are off, low, high, and cool. And one thing that I will say off of looking at reviews is that for the Revlon One Step, the heat only comes out the top. So they kept saying you had to angle it like this. Whereas with this one, it might be hard to hear, but you can feel it coming out the entire head. It's not just at the top, so I don't think I'll have to worry about that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through the products that I'm gonna use and how I'm going to do it, just so you guys know. And because this is not a tutorial for me blow drying my hair, but if you want like an in-depth tutorial on how I safely blow dry my hair, then let me know, because you know, your girl obviously know a little bit of something since we now at bra strap length. I haven't updated y'all in a while, but yeah, we at bra strap length, which I'll show you guys in this video. So I'm just gonna be using Earthborn Organics. I'm gonna be using their Cocoa Hydration Cream. So what I will do is I will put that on my hair first. Then I will be using the Earthborn Organics Stimulating Growth Oil. As you can see, your girl is we kind of low. But I'm just going to be focusing this just on the scalp. And then I will spray my hair with Pantene's Heat Primer, just to, you know, my heat protectant. We're not getting no kind of heat damage over here. So yeah, I'm just going to get to it. I didn't say this before, but my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned and all that good jazz. So yeah. Also, if you want an updated wash day routine, let me know, because I really feel like I found the perfect combo for a really smooth wash day. But okay, let's really get into it this time. All right, y'all. This is the first section. I think I would say this is a success. Okay, I'm gonna go over each section at the end, but I don't know, my ends don't look that bad. Yeah, I might not even need to trim, who knows? Okay, we'll see. But yeah, that was the first section. So, we'll see how the rest is looking. All right, y'all, so the rest of my hair is blow dried and I'm just gonna go over it once with high heat. I did some sections with a mix of low and high, but for the most part, I just did low heat. Y'all know, like I said before, I ain't with that heat damage stuff. Okay, we've come a little bit too far for all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this last section. Now my hair is very high porosity, so it's, oh, actually, you know what? I'm surprised it's not dry. Okay. Probably because I did the little twist and bantu knot. But yeah, so let's go ahead and detangle this section, which I'm going to speed through, and then I'll show you guys what it's like to blow dry this section. All right, y'all, that is this section. So like I said, I'm gonna go over everything with high heat just to kind of smooth everything out, and then I will show you guys how it looks. All right, y'all, so this is how blown out my hair was. Mind you, yes, my hair is super solid because I do need a little bit of a trim, and as well as I used really heavy products because I'm going into protective styling. So this is not supposed to be worn as a like blowout style. So that is why my hair looks quite heavy. But I definitely would recommend this dupe because for $15, now what I will say is that on the high setting, it gets super hot, like at the end, which I'll try to insert a clip right here too. Y'all will see that I burnt my hand on my hair. So just make sure I go pretty quickly when I'm doing passes on high heat, but that was just to get it as straight as possible so it's easier for my hair to be cornrowed. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as usual, because we're doing what on this platform? I know it's been a while, but I know y'all still know it. We're saving coins. And tell me down below how you like this, if you actually get this product, or you know, just comment on yeah, down below, and just tell me if you found something else that works. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.